Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. I'm about to put this top together right here for the firebox on this smoker. Here I'm just starting to get the sides cut out on it. Most all of it's just straight edging with the plasma. And this is that Harbor Freight titanium plasma that I'm using. It's not a whole lot to it. It's the sides and a couple slats to go across the top of it. Trying to fit it all with the outside corner joint. But with the top like this, it'll give you plenty of room inside the firebox for grilling and everything. Normally I do a flat top on it. I've just been intending to change it. Then we'll just use that one, transfer it over to the second one. I always mark those sides just in case they're not exactly the same on both ends. You can just lay them back to where they are. Those two match. Then these are just the tops of it. Top slats. About time to do a scrap haul. You can see that stuff piling behind me. That's not the only pile, that's just the closest one. But the scrap don't add up too quick. I mean, I could probably make a load, half a load really. This is just getting one side tacked to the table so it'll be stable. And then just fit the pieces all the way around. It's good to leave a nice little gap in there. It'll help that weld lay flat. I think I almost got too much gap in on one side. That's why I say I about gave it too much gap. That piece there got really tight. I actually had to come back with the grinder and open it up just a little bit. At that angle right there, you still have an open gap, but that gap gets really tight. And sometimes it's hard to get a flatter weld on it. It wants to come out some. So it's good to gap it open. And I'm just making sure it fits on there before I weld it up. Then I about got everything ready on it now. I went ahead and hinged it and got the stop on the back. Put a quick rack together for it. You can kind of see that guard there that I put on the table. I did a video on that. It works out really well. It really needs to go further down that table to catch more of it. It catches quite a bit of it. And it's really good for those small pieces that like to fly out. It catches those 90% of the time. But in order to keep going down the back flat like that, I'd have to make the table a little wider. So I'm just gonna ride with it like that for now. Then just squaring the rack up. Sometimes this goes together but no problem at all. Sometimes you'll be sitting there fighting with it for some reason. Pieces sliding. A lot of times you get little metal particles underneath it and pieces will keep sliding on you and stuff until you get mad and clean it all off. But you don't really need to clamp it or anything just to get it like that. Always square when you put those first tacks before you put any more, because it ain't gonna want to move then. And I got everything put together on there. On that part of it anyway. I'm liking that a lot. That'll work out really well. But anyway, that'll do it on this one. Just a quick video of messing with this smoker. If you're interested in a smoker like this or any other kind of smoker, reverse flows, verticals, Santa Maria grills, I have my email in the description box. You can shoot me an email. And if you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.